Hi everyone, today we're opening AfterShokz Air headphone, and it's not going inside, it's going outside. You can see the picture. So if you just put it here and then it goes around your ear. Okay, now let's open. And at the back, it can show you the picture of the headphone. Okay, let's open. Okay, now we're gonna take it out. Alright, let's open. Alright, now get it out. This is actually a card. Let's open this. Arrow point here. Repair. Oh, there. Oh, it's a nice case. I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. Here are the instructions. We're going to take this out. Oh, I don't know what are these. All right. Okay. All right. One more. Right, there we go. Okay, here's the headphone. Okay, we're gonna test them out, see if they can fit me. First, I'm gonna take off the hat. This is how they put it. Oh, there. Okay. Wow, it's kind of wobbly. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna play the video and you can also listen. I put it on my ear. Here. It's so cool. I just want to listen it all day like this. Like that. Okay. I can hear it so nice. I just want to listen it all day. For like forever. Bye, like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, bye, I'll listen.